Right, Ty, go on, tell me the dream again.
It was about a volcano. It had fire on it. There had fire clouds.
Right.
It made us all pop, but I didn't pop.
And where have you seen this?
In my dream.
And when did you have this dream?
When Mummy come to bed.
What, last night or yesterday, last week? Do you know when?
Yesterday.
Right,
Nights.
and what happened in your dream?
It was really scary.
What dream? What? Tell me the dream again.
We was in the shop. It changes to a storm of a volcano one.
Right.
It made us all pop.
What do you mean by pop?
And it scared me.
And what do you mean? You said before. What happens? Does it? What about the world?
World.
Yeah. What happens?
It made the world boom all into. It changed the earth. Changed into a volcano. Earth. It changes.
So the fire went all around Earth.
Yeah. And do you know when it's volcano where?
Yeah.
Lightning comes.
Lightning comes.
Yeah.
How do you know that? Did you see it in your dream, or where did you see that?
I seen it in my dream. And do you know what happened
What?
when it
Come on.
gone on the clouds? When it gone on the clouds, it made the volcano storm more badder, and it made put more badder.
And what colour was the skies?
Dark grey.
And was there any fire or anything in the dream?
Yeah. It was all yellow, the normal one. It gone in the clouds, but it didn't fall on the sky.
And what happens to all the people? Did you see any people in your dream?
No. It's just us.
Just us.
Not you. You wasn't in it. Just me and Mum.
Just Mummy and you.
Yeah.
So does this happen in just Manchester where we are now, or does it happen all over the world?
But do you know when Mummy popped? I was on my own then.
What do you mean by popped?
I was on myself in the earth.
And what do you mean by Mummy popped?